We're making keto pizza in a mug in 90 seconds. Let's go. It would be a great idea to do a mug pizza for your pizza night, and when your family is having pizza you can have this pretty mug and we haven't compromised on taste or texture. In this recipe I've given you all the measurements, but do feel free to swap it around. You can have sausage meat, chicken, whatever your favorite toppings are. I mean, just look at this pizza. It looks delicious and I must say I really enjoyed it. The nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into this recipe now. We're mixing everything into this mug, and first up is the eggless crust. Add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of golden flaxseed meal, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 3 tablespoons of sparkling water. Mix that all together until combined, and then flatten and smooth it off as best as you can. Right on top of the crust, pour 1 tablespoon of low carb marinara or tomato cooking sauce. On top of the marinara, spread 3 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese, a sprinkle of dried oregano. Then add the cooked meat of your choice, and I'm using some leftover chorizo sausage for mine. And finally, a sprinkle of finely grated Parmesan. If you have a 700 watt microwave, let it cook for 90 seconds. And if you have a 1000 watt microwave, let it cook for 75 seconds. If you would rather bake it in the oven, do so at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the cheese has grilled. Or use your waffle iron. I mean, why not? And here it is. Yum. Okay, giving this a taste now, and yeah, taste is on point for me. What I love about the crust is that it is eggless, and so you can save on using eggs. I really enjoyed this pizza and I hope you do as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.